Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to cut out some shelf sitters. Trying to say that 10 times fast. I'm going to cut these out on a 2x6 using my miter saw. The miter saw I got from Canadian Tire. It's a Mastercraft and it has a safety blade, so it's loud, but I'm not going to get my fingers near the blade. It has a really nice laser line so I can see where my cut is. And I'm just basically going to cut it square and then I'm going to sand it. So I'm going to cut it out on a 2x6 piece of cedar. And if I was going to make a whole bunch, I would do a stop cut. You can use this piece here, moves in and out, and you can do stop cuts, so you can do a big production line and get them the same size. Or you can use this and put a board here. If I put a board underneath this right here, it would do the same thing like a stop cut. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to use some PPE. I'm going to put on my face mask so I don't breathe in all that dust. I'm going to put on my earmuffs or hearing protection and my glasses. Oh, it's hard to get on. Hang on a second, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to measure. And this board is just under 5 inches. So I want it 5 by 5. And I'm going to measure it. It's already squared off. I've got my saw set at 0. It clicks in and tighten it. And then I've got a laser line. Okay, so here we go. Okay, if you cut it slowly, you don't have as much tear out. You can see where it tore out here. You can see on this board, the tear out. So you need a nice sharp blade and you need to go slowly.
Let me see the board.
So, yeah, here you go. So you just need to go slowly and have a sharp blade. And then I do have a bit of a tear out on this side. And I'm just gonna take it over there and sand it. I got this from Amazon. It's a dust solution, Rose 5000. And it collects the dust and it's hooked up to the dust collector. I just didn't turn it on because it's very, very noisy. But I usually have that going too. And if this is the first time you're meeting me, like I said, I'm Sandy McKenzie of the Lumber Mill, so smash that subscribe button, ring my bell, don't miss any videos. Thanks for coming, but here we go. We're gonna do some sanding. And I'll just throw, you have to have your dust mask, your earmuffs, and your, here, I'm gonna get past me. Ugh, I'm already coughing from the dust. Your glasses. I'm all fogged up. Okay, so that's how you make a shelf sitter. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Love you. Bye.